Greetings everyone and welcome back, this is Marco and today we're taking a look at the Soligor 28mm 2.8 CD. Soligor was a photographic gear supplier based in the United States and Germany, active mostly from the 60s to the 90s. They had a very comprehensive catalog of lenses made in Japan by manufacturers like Tokina and Tamron and such, covering a wide array of focal lengths, and they were available for basically every major brand. Soligor lenses were also sold under different names in different geographical areas of the world, like Hanimex, Porst or Supercarnar, and a few others. From my research, the 28mm 2.8 alone has at least 21 different versions, so chances are that yours looks different than mine. Specifically, the one I own is part of the CD line, released somewhere in the mid-70s as a premium line of lenses, so let's take a closer look. The Soligor 28mm is made out of metal and it weighs 200 grams. It is 33mm long when focused to infinity and 37 when fully extended, with a 49mm front thread. The Aries has 6 blades, the aperture is clicked, and it goes from f2.8 to f22. The focusing ring is textured and rubberized, it turns 180 degrees, and minimum focusing distance is 30 centimeters. It came with many different mounts for different brands. The one I own has a Pentax PK mount. Sharpness wide open is pretty good in the center, and the edges are softer without losing much detail. Stopping down to f8, it gets sharp all over the frame, with just a bit of fuzziness in the corners. Colors are neutral, pleasant and true to life, with nice saturation and contrast without being too punchy. Only a hair of chromatic aberration can be spotted on high contrast areas when shooting wide open. Autofocus areas are soft and don't feel busy like most 28mm lenses. Bokeh balls are small, like all lenses of this kind, and have harder edges. When shooting directly into a source of light, it produces big rainbow flares at 2.8. and more controlled and pleasant bluish flares stopping down. Ghosting and loss of contrast haven't been a problem. And now, let me show you some samples. I also did a quick comparison between the Soligor 28 and the Canon FD 28mm 2.8. The Soligor produces warmer tones and has more contrast, while the Canon is a little bit sharper. Soligor lenses are cheap and easy to find, yet mostly overlooked. And I am guilty of that myself. Yet they once more prove that third-party lenses are not necessarily bad, and most of them can compete in build quality and image quality with major brands. What about you? Have you ever tried or owned a Soligor lenses? What was your experience? Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!